Hi there! Thanks for checking out Houndz. This is a program I made as a student at Flatiron School. It's a full-stack Ruby on Rails application that follows the model views controller pattern. The idea for this program came about because I am a California expat, and when I first moved to New York City, I was surprised to learn that you can't just go to any old grocery store or bodega to buy a bottle of wine. You have to go to a specific liquor store. So I wanted to make a Yelp-style program where a user can find liquor stores by location and read and write reviews of liquor stores that they've visited. I also added a social element so users can follow each other and see their friends' liquor store reviews. So on this first page, a user can log in with their username and password, or if they're new to the site, they can create an account by clicking this sign up button here and entering a username, password, and password confirmation. Since I have an account already, I'll log us in. After a user logs in, they are redirected to their profile page where they can see all of the liquor stores they've reviewed in the past. I'll go into reviews in more detail later on. A user can also see information about their followers and the people that they follow. I can click on this following link to see a list of other users that I follow. And similarly, I can click on this followers link and see a list of people who follow me. If you want to find more people to follow, you can click on this Find More Booze Buddies link to see a list of all users. The Booze Buddies link in the nav bar redirects to this same page. When you click on a user's name, you get taken to their profile page where you can see the liquor stores that they reviewed, and you can follow them by clicking on this follow button. And as you see, the number of people I follow has now increased from 6 to 7. And if I click on the list, Daniel shows up in the list of people I'm following. You can unfollow a user in the same manner. Go to their profile page, click the unfollow button. Now my following number is back down to 6, and Daniel is no longer in the list of people that I'm following. So that's the social component of this program. A user can also search for liquor stores either by name or by location. Let's check out the name list first. The Stores by Name link in the nav bar also redirects to this page. I used the Yelp API to pull information and photos for the top 1,000 liquor stores in New York City, and I used that data to generate these lists. So on the Stores by Name list, a user can scroll through an alphabetized list of the top 1,000 liquor stores in New York City. If a user doesn't have a specific store in mind, they can search for stores by location by clicking on this link. On this page, our liquor stores are broken down by borough, neighborhood, and zip code. When a user clicks on a zip code, they get a list of all of the liquor stores in that area. And then when a user clicks on a specific liquor store name, they're taken to a page for that store. Here they can see information about the store, including address, phone number, Yelp's dollar rating, and an image of the store. I also incorporated a Google Maps link so a user can open an external page to get directions to that specific store. If a user is not satisfied with the store that they selected, they can click this nearby link to see a list of more stores in the same zip code. All right, let's try a different store. So the last feature on every liquor store page is the reviews section, where a user can see the store's average rating and read reviews from other users. They can also write their own review of that store by clicking Write a Review. I implemented some validations to ensure that a user's rating is a positive whole number between 1 and 5. So if you try to enter a number outside of that range, you get an error message. So now we're redirected to that specific liquor store page, and you can see my review at the bottom down here. If I click on my username in this list, it redirects me to my profile page where I can see my review of that liquor store now shows up in my profile. A user can also go back and edit a review if they want to change their rating. They can also delete a review from the edit page, like so. See, it's gone from my profile. The last feature on this program I want to show you is an analytics page. Here I list some data about the total number of users, liquor stores, and reviews, as well as information about the user and store with the most reviews, the zip code with the most liquor stores, and the highest rated liquor store overall. So that's Booze Houndz. Thanks for taking the time to check out this program.